Yeah. You would have said Saturday work day. So how far is the focal length of this? It's gonna fit me in the face, just like that. Just gonna fit me in the face. Can talk like that. You can do this, and then you can do that. You can do that. Arms length. And yep. So this is the one I want. Okay, I'm out for another job today. So this job is like freelancing again, and my clothes up. Okay, yeah, this job is freelancing again, and I'll be shooting with Dawn today. But both of us are freelancing, so we're working for photography. Shut up! Working for a photography studio, and it's just a 2-hour shoot. A wedding for a 2-hour shoot. It's tough because I'm OCD, and I want to shoot from the preparation and create a story out of it. But for this case, I'm freelancing and I'm not paid more. So I'm heading there now, seeing Dawn and maybe John there. By the way, I'm shooting on a Sony A6300 because the 1DX is kind of heavy, and I love to have good audio for the vlog, so I'm sticking with this camera. Even though I won't be seeing my face there, it's alright. It's alright. Anyway, I need to map myself now. Okay, I'll be back later. Fairly good weather today, but if you're inside the house, it's really cold. And yeah, I was just staying in the house all morning. The thing is, I didn't do anything. It was really cold. When I'm out here now in the field, it's really warm. And I'm not wearing any jacket. I'm on my air conditioning right now in the car. Well, maybe because the windows are closed, but yeah, it's warm today. And I need to be in the reception. I need to be in the venue in 1 hour. It's an hour and a few minutes drive. I don't do the toll. And yeah. These guys always perform in front of people. I can't see them. It's too hot. Okay, I'm afraid of going lightheaded again and collapsing while shooting a wedding, so I went to Mac's early today just to be sure, because the last few weddings I wasn't feeling well, but headache, feel like vomiting. I'm not pregnant though, but yeah. Brighton Beach, shooting at Brighton Savoy today. So I'm gonna be in the destination. Yep. Oh, there it is. Here at the venue now, so I'll be shooting in the field. I'll be leaving this one with a good microphone. I'll be using my RX100 now because it's gonna be busy. 2 hours for me. So ciao. I'm waiting for the bride and waiting for Dawn. So I switched to this RX100 right now because it's smaller and easier to carry around. But I like the ones with a microphone. So yeah, let's go. Okay, my legs just fell and I'm white. Dawn, I'm so white. Look.
So today I promise to dedicate my life to you, to make you laugh.
Ayos, usap lang yan.
Tingnan mo, hindi nakikita si Don. Hanapin ko. Saan si Don? Where's Don? Oh, there you are. Lovely sunset out there. We're getting back to the reception.
Ano na gawin natin doon? Mag-shoot tayo na konti.
So ngayon, ha? Bakit? Okay, we'll just take a photo. Just take a photo na.
So, proper na tour ko yun, ha?
some more.
Kaya din nakapag-uwi siya ng isang pitch niya.
So we're working with these guys now in the
Ako sabi nung dulo sabi ko, shit, maganda yata yun. Siyempre may bisita ka, ganda nun, no?
Sabihin, tayo na, prep well to.
Boss Jan, ano ang sabi mo?
Buti na, bigyan sila na bagaan.
Madali yung shoot.
Hindi, magulat ko kayo eh.
Ha?
Buti ko na kayo pulat eh.
Sige, thank you bro. Thank you boss.
Ano tayo may gusto na?
Tatay or something.
Narinig niyo? Shit.
Oo.
Tapos na ako umutot.
Ay, tangin na kamuntik ng tae.
Okay. Okay, so we just finished with our wedding. The longest wedding I've shot in the 2 hours. Hello.
Mga kabatch mo yung Miguel. Nalito ako kanina. Sobrang sikip.
Skip ng ano. So yeah, we just finished the wedding and we're gonna get some drinks for a while. Yeah, we're just gonna get a few drinks and then go home because we still have weddings for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. Gotta get to the car. Trailing John and Dawn. We're gonna go out for some drinks or just hang out for a while after the wedding. Yeah, that was just a quick wedding shoot. Like we're gonna hang out a bit and then we're gonna go home. Sorry about the music, it's too loud. It gets boring when you don't have music in the car. Currently in Port Melbourne and we're still trying to look for a place to stay and have a few drinks or coffee or anything, but I can't find one. It's a Saturday and there's nobody here. I don't know why. Nice car. Nice. Here.
Dinner
Bakit ka
tayo.
na dyan? Okay.
Gusto niyo mag-candlelit dinner
Oh,
tayo.
you need a hug, bro. It's cold. My dick is cold, man.
I can feel the shrinkage.
Shrinkage. Oh. So we're trying to check parking now. Hope there's no parking. Fuck this parking. Baka dun.
Fish and chips.
Gusto mo mag ano? Gusto nyo mag candlelight dinner?
Candlelit.
We're gonna
Ay, mga ganyan, no?
do a candlelight dinner.
Mga tipong ganyan, no? Ayan.
Saan?
Tapos yung pagkukunin mo yung
It's
chip.
nice here.
Oh.
Tapos yung pagkukunin mo yung chips, yung magkakagano na yung kamay. Tapos magtitingin na gano'n.
Didate ko si Kicks dito. Ay, hindi na to si
Tapos pag
So, yeah.
diniretso mo pa to, meron dyan yung alam mo yung mga ganyan
Yeah, they're
na
talking Philo
yung marami,
language.
yung puro ganun lang.
And we're still looking for a place to hang out and get some
Ay,
drinks.
yung mga...
Princess Pia.
And yeah, we're here. Maybe that's
Hindi, basta mga
a
ganyan
good
na,
place.
alam mo yung
This
ilalim.
one. It might be expensive, but we'll see how it
Yung
goes.
lugar, oo. Yun.
So yeah, let's just go. Oh, but sign.
Oh shit, but tanong mo kung anong ilaw niya. Tanong natin. Walang tao,
Okay.
no? Patay dito.
Ah, parang Pinas na may
Hindi,
mga ano.
siguro pag may bomba ang mga marino.
Ay. Oh, yan. Kunin natin yan.
Baka
Isang ano?
dyan, beer dyan.
Isang
Walang
black
tao.
label yan na malaki.
Wala ka tao-tao.
Wala.
Saan kayo mga pagkain?
Parang naging Boracay na pasasarat nila.
Candlelit dinner dito. May kadate ko. Solo niyo yung lugar.
Oh, tapos yung may mga curtains pa.
Tayo, dito na tayo.
Tatalon tayo sa beach.
Ano may mga tao ng konti?
Oo nga eh, yung mga tao. Yeah, we're just still looking for a place to hang out. There's no place to hang out
We're
here.
looking for chicks with dicks.
We're looking for dicks. No, chicks.
Chicks with dicks. Ito.
What's that? And they wrote their beer $300. What the fuck, mate? There's nobody here. It's like we're doing a threesome or something. Yeah, I think we're in the Twilight Zone.
I told you should go back to Chapel Street.
Sa chapel na lang tayo magsisimba. Guys, do you know how to read? Are you having a hard time?
Sol.
Aha!
Sauce.
Let's act like I'm drunk.
Where's the
Yeah, just quick one. Nothing.
Wow.
It's like the shortest one I've shot.
Yeah. That's pretty. Kausapin niyo ako. I'm so drunk, man. I'm so drunk.
You don't know him, this guy.
Or he's vlogging.
Yeah, when I'm at work, I
He's
just make
famous.
funny videos of myself.
He's
Yeah, that's why.
He's a famous vlogger.
Yeah. Nobody's subscribed to me yet.
There you go, +1.
They did not even subscribe to me. And they're my friends.
I haven't subscribed
Every time I
on
start
YouTube.
filming myself, they're gonna stay away. Like now, like they don't want to run. So I'm doing it on purpose. Ah,
Yes, please. Ito, patis. Okay yun.
oh yeah.
Patis ba ito?
Ayun na diet.
Still hot?
Mainit.
Here it is. May pagtatapat ako sa inyo mga bro.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko na kayang itago itong mga bro eh.
Ano yun?
Lapas mo lang.
Inas mo lang, inom ka lang.
Bading ako bro.
Mamatay ka na. Mamatay ka.
Sunshine.
So every
Sheldon?
after wedding that we have. No, we shot there in Sheldon before. We've shot there in Sheldon before. Every after wedding we drink beer. No, we don't drink beer. We just yeah, nothing. I have nothing to say now. I'm just so thirsty and shit. I want some beer.
Ayan na siya.
Wow.
Para ma-shoot ko saan naglalakad sila. Yung tatay nakabuntot, nakahawak sa address, napakalapit. Tapos explain, di maintindihan.
Hindi tayo sasalita yun.
Anong tawag
Pipi yata eh.
Bobo.
Hindi kasi nung pumunta ako doon sa room, naikot ko ata yung buong hotel, doon lang pala yung 229, hindi mo makita pag...
Hold it. Yeah. Oh, newbies. Ka-noobs na naman natin.
Saan ba tayo?
Dito tayo.
Hey!
Ayoko na. I'm already drunk, man. I can't move anymore. Okay, apparently I'm on my way home. And yeah, I want to discuss this thing. I want to talk about this thing I call vlogging. Like I've been vlogging lately a lot. Like I've been vlogging a lot lately. And the thing is, I'm enjoying it. At first, it was just like it's an awkward thing. It's still awkward when I'm vlogging everywhere. Like when there are a lot of people watching me, and they look at me like funny. Like they look at me like I'm. What's happening is I want my vlogs to have something in it, like a story or something. But what's happening is that I end up just filming what's happening in my day and then putting them on a timeline. There's no like story or there's no like lesson or anything like that, if you call it a lesson. Yeah, what's happening is that I'm checking all the videos and making a video out of it. There's no like edit, cinematic edit or something like story or anything. So just let the day flow. At first I didn't like it because a lot of vloggers out there are vlogging and it's nonsense. Like they just post videos of them doing pranks and everything just to be famous. My GPS, sorry about that. But the thing is, okay, my GPS tells me there's a red light camera. Yeah, what's different with my vlogs that I try to make something out of it. I'll try to like nail a good story or like a good day in my life where I'm out there in the street and like I don't know,